Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Right now, I am currently fishing in the same place where I caught that 2-pound smallmouth. I'm sure you guys remember that. And if you haven't seen that, be sure to check out the video in the tags below. But today, our target fish is not even a smallmouth. I'm just here killing some time. I'm about to meet up with a buddy. We are going for largemouths. That is the target today. My goal today is to break the record, my personal best, for a largemouth. This will also be the first time that I've ever used live bait. So this is gonna be a really cool experience, but we'll get this a few more casts here, and if we don't get any bites, we're gonna go ahead and meet our buddy. All right, we'll give it one more good heave on the other side next to those rapids. Huh, well that was literally right in front of me. I have to try to catch that now. I was literally right here. Alrighty, nothing doing. So while I'm heading back to the car, I might as well explain a few things. Like I said, we're going to be fishing on a lake, so that's gonna be really cool. It's actually a pond, so, or at least that's what I consider it. The reason I decided to do this video today is because not too long ago, I think it was actually a few days ago, this buddy that I'm gonna go fishing with, I'll go ahead and link his Instagram or whatever he wants down in the description below. But he caught a 6-pound largemouth. Now, I never caught anything, I would say over 4 pounds in my life. So if we're able to catch a 6-pounder today, or anything that's remotely that size, we will get to use this scale. I meant to use it on the Wildlife last video, but I forgot because I guess I was so excited. So today, ladies and gentlemen, we are back to the car. Let's go ahead and get some fish. Well, boys, we are about to start fishing. And these are the hooks we're gonna be using. Eagle Claws, plain shank, size 1. That's all we're using. We're hooking them to some minnows and shiners, and hopefully we catch ourselves my personal best largemouth. I don't think I've caught anything over, I'd say 2 pounds. I'd say. I should go get my kid's pole.
I was gonna say that.
Thomas is with us, by the way. Everyone say hi to Thomas. You're looking at his feet. First cast, he says. Oh, you can go ahead and start, dude. You never know. There might be a fish sitting right here. So you just let him sit. Awesome. First cast. Flies off the hook. Beautiful. Beautiful.
You're free.
You're free. Run free, little Bob. Oh, that's so cool. Dude, no way! Are you kidding me? First cast. I gotta get him over these weeds now. Let's go! Boys, I should be able to get him. Thank you, though. Not bad. You're gonna have to stop that. Come here. Come here. I know. I gotta get him. Boys, let's go! Not a bad way to start the day. Atta boy. I'll take it. Bro, you choked that hook. Bro, how did you even do this? Yeah, I know that hurts. Stop ripping my thumb. All right, boys, first catch of the day. Not too shabby. Let's go ahead and get him back in the water. I'm just gonna toss him right over here. I would love to get a release video because he's not too shabby, but hey, see you later, bud. Woo! First catch of the day, let's go. Yeah, he ripped my thumb a little bit. Yeah, I have noticed that there are a ton of them that sit like right down there. I think it's where that creek just comes in. Just put in a little more oxygen in the water. Are they really? They copied me. They copied me. I'm the OG, right? Copycats. There's a log down right there. I mean, I put it right on top of that log. I figured there'd be one sitting there. When I hooked that walleye last night, I didn't get to record the first little bit of it. I had him on for probably a minute before I started recording. I thought I was hung on a tree. He was staying in one spot, pulling my drag, and I was reeling the whole time. All right, back into the bucket you go, sir. Oh, that glare is killer. Good old stickfish, dude. A classic. Oh! So in case you guys are wondering how we're working these, I'm just talking to I'm a YouTuber, okay? But in case you guys are wondering how we're working these, we're just dropping them in close to these weed beds out in the middle and slowly working them back to the bank. I'm twitching mine just a little bit every now and then. This is where that carp was sitting, actually. Oh yeah, there's a turtle right there, dude. Hit this. Turtle man. Oh, look at that turtle. He's hitting it. Let's go, come on, buddy. Yeah, I can hear him, I can feel him smacking it. You're gonna hit this. Come on, buddy. I can't see it. Oh, he's chasing it. Okay. I know you guys probably can't see that. Oh, he's smacking the head. He's not taking it. He's biting it right at the head though. And there he goes. He's still chilling right here. What a legend. That's what he was doing with mine, dude. He's just sitting up there hitting the head. Did you get him? Oh, good old weed fish. having to ruin the day. Screw largemouth, let's just catch turtle all day. All right guys, we are gonna move on to the next spot. It's literally right over here. Hopefully it'll be a good little honey hole. This is the place you caught that 6-pounder, wasn't it? Yeah. Yep. All right, so hopefully we can have the same good luck. Got one. There we go. That was as soon as I hit record. Attaboy. Gunner's first fish of the day. That's exactly where he hit mine, right on the side of his mouth. Not a bad fish. Attaboy, just getting started. That was literally like 20 seconds after I hit record. Ripping lips for real, boys. Do you have a Fishbrain, dude? I haven't either. I just use the regular. But if you guys want to follow either of us on Fishbrain, I will have it down in the description below. I need some more followers on Fishbrain. It's like a good social media app, honestly. Is something on? Yeah. Is that just my fish? Oh, I bet it was freaking out. I bet there was a fish chasing it. Whoa, that was weird. I thought I had a fish on for a second. I didn't feel anything. I'm gonna put him right next to that. Yeah, that was perfect. That's exactly where I wanted it. Oh, he's freaking out now. Probably a big fish next to him. What are you doing? My fish is acting so weird right now. Honestly, I do think there's probably a fish right here that's freaking him out. Well, I just missed a bite and it tore him off. Just lost one, boys. Damn, that bit my rod and everything. Close, but no Bob Seagar. All right, so what I'm gonna try to do is cast up against this brush pile and hopefully, just hopefully, there's a big fish sitting right about where my lure's at. I say lure, I'm so used to saying that. I see a bass right in front of me. Not particularly huge. Oh, there's like 2 or 3.
Got one.
Hell yeah. Oh, took it. I hope the GoPro caught that. I was looking right at it. He came up and flashed and took it. That was sick. Is that a bass? Right there? It's shining right here. See him flick? Yeah, look at him. He's coming up to the water. You see him? What is he doing? I'm gonna cast at him. Is that a bass? That looks like a bass. He's literally right in front of me. I'm gonna put it past him just a little bit and then bring it to him. I don't know what that thing is doing. It looks like it's eating off the bottom. I know that's what carp tend to do, but its body was shaped, looks so weird. Here I am gonna waste my time on just this one fish. I'll give her one more try. It's still right there. It's literally right next to it. It's upside down. Like, what is that fish doing? I don't know if you guys can see that too well. I'll point at it. I'll try to point at it. It's not even responding to this lure. I had to stop saying that. Well, that's so weird. I'm giving up on you, man. Good luck to you.
Look, oh my God.
Oh, no, I saw it come off. Oh my God. Did he take it too?
Yeah, he took it.
Bro, he just robbed you. Right at the bank. Yeah, I'd say they're about to get hungry, boys. We have to get that. And of course, I just put my foot in between that. How did that even happen? There we go. We're gonna get this fish. Yo. I don't know if you guys can see that bass. Wow. Wow.
3 minutes later.
Wow. What a catch. I wish I would have been recording about, let's say, I don't know, 30 seconds ago. He was coming out at this thing like crazy. I mean, obviously that is what he wanted. Fish of the day is this guy for being such a trooper. What a fish. I feel like if you could cast in right there, that would be the ticket, dude. Just right there between all those weed beds. Ladies and gentlemen, number 2 of the day, and as you can see, hooked in the exact same spot. Boys, we are slaying it right here. We've actually caught 2 fish in the exact same spot, and I wasn't recording when I caught this fish, unfortunately, but we had a bigger fish come up, and I don't know if he was trying to steal the bait out of his mouth, or maybe actually, I'll guarantee what happened is that shiner came off and he came up and ate it. But there was one that was even bigger than this guy here. And there we go. Lads and gents, what a fish. Not terribly big, but not terribly small either. We'll take it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put him back and we'll get a release video of this guy. He's gonna splash the camera. I'm calling it right now. Let's make sure I can see him. Yeah, what did I say? I brought him right across the top of this weed bed and that's where it hit. Now I'm just working that along the bank really slowly, just in case there are any bass right under me that I can't see. Fish number 3. Normally wouldn't care about a fish this big, but we're going for numbers today. And the number we're going for is at least 4 pounds. And this guy ain't cutting it. But we'll go ahead and put him back. I didn't even see him. He just disappeared. Boys, when you get desperate, sometimes a bouquet of flowers is all you need to impress a girl.
Oh, really?
Yes, but if that doesn't work, fish will do.